SHOT Show 2022 is one of the best SHOT Shows in decades. Let's take a look at some of our coverage of the show.
The guns, there's some authentic looking AKs here that caught my eye. Pioneer guns, and can you tell us, Pioneer Arms?
Yep.
Sorry, can you tell us about your guns?
Yeah, so we got our new 22 Help Up right here at the bottom. That's brand new coming out this year. Also offered in 5.56 and 7.62. And we got our PPS up top. Also, we got the long rifle 22 to match it.
So are these old, like 22 kits, or are you making 22s?
No. We don't do kits anything.
Right.
If people still want a Polish AK, we're still going to manufacture that Polish AK with the minimum of 25 compliance. But we're not stopping there, because there's people out there that want. So what we're doing is Pioneer Arms. We don't outsource anything. We don't pull parts off of people's guns. We don't, do anything like parts kits or anything like that. So what we're doing and what our process is for the people that want our own guns, and then we're going to make parts for them. Like Pioneer Arms here in the U.S. is going to make U.S. parts for our own guns, if that makes sense. Because people will want an American-made AK, and that's what we started. We started with the Fire Control Group over here. We started with this.
Great to meet you.
Yeah, so finally. Sorry. We've been friends online for a long time.
For the U.S. parts, we started with the Fire Control Group, and we're moving into the muzzle and then the barrel as well. So we just got a lathe to be able to do that process. We're working on getting more machines to be able to create more U.S. parts for our own guns. Because there's a market there, and there's people that want a quality U.S.-made AK.
Definitely.
But still goes, built to our Polish standard. So we're not creating a new gun, we're just taking our own guns and we are making the parts ourselves and then putting them back into our own guns, creating a US, a US AK.
Very cool. Well, and what you say, North Carolina?
Sorry, no, so this is James Rivers, we're shooting with him.
Right.
We are actually based in Florida.
Florida, okay.
Florida, yeah.
But Maine, USA, obviously.
Sorry?
Maine, USA, Florida. Just wanted to make sure.
When we get to that point, yes.
Yeah.
So right now we're working on getting a bigger facility to get more machines in, so we can create more parts for these guns. So it's not going to happen overnight, but we're hoping very soon. I mean, we'll have the facility and not the technology, but the manpower to create the parts that we need to make a full U.S. make.
That's awesome.
It's still built to the Polish standard. It's still built off of our design and everything.
So the audio wasn't good, but now we know some new Polish AKs are coming in from Florida. We want to acknowledge the folks that helped get us to SHOT Show this year. Hope you're enjoying these small videos from stuff we saw while walking the show. So let us know what you think. We'll be watching the comments wherever you find the video, over on gunstreamer.com or on guntube.org. Thank you for supporting our projects. If you'd like to buy us a cup of coffee, check out our Patreon channel.
The guys and gals of gunwebsites.com encourages you to take a CCW class every year, practice at least once a month, and carry every day. Thank you for watching gunwebsites.com.